So, pag naging trader ka, there's a training actually for that. Okay, so, sa mga YouTube channel nakikita ko na ang dami nagtitrain. So, if you want to do this, you can apply. So, there is a course for that. And I think coaching, may coaching din nagaganap dyan. Okay? Positively Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Disunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa ang YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Disunga. Okay, so kanina katatapos natin ng 10 business ideas na pwede mong gawin ngayong 2019. So ngayon naman, ang didiscuss natin ay 11 high-paying skills na pwede mo ring simulan ngayong 2019, okay? Doon sa mga ayaw magnegosyo, pero gustong yumaman, so baka isa dito pwede maging susi para kayo yumaman, okay? Remember, meron tayong Triangle of Wealth by Dan Lok. Pwede kang yumaman sa pamamagitan ng tatlong bagay, di ba? So, una, you should have a business, of course. Second, dapat meron kang investment. And third, meron kang high-paying skills. Okay? So, these high-paying skills can be your ticket para kayo yumaman kahit wala kang negosyo. Alright? So, simulan na natin. Hindi po siya based from the payment. Hindi ko na siya na ganon kasi depende yan sa community na kinaroroonan nyo. Okay? So, depende kung nasan po kayo. Depende sa demand sa inyong community. Okay? And depende rin, of course, sa branding nyo or sa, ang tinatawag natin, qualifications mo eh. So, depende yan sa different factors. But anyway, these are 11 skills na pwede mong gawin, okay? High-paying skills na pwede kang yumaman. Alright, simulan na natin. First in my list is consulting, coaching, or mentoring. Number 1 sa list ko yan. Because personal ko siyang na-experience. I'm a consultant and I'm a coach. Alright, so these things, give me more money this 2018, okay? Na pwede mo rin siyang gawin. If you are an expert in one area, so pwede kang maging consultant. Like, if you are into environment, pwede kang consultant in environment. If you are into, giving advices, so pwede kang maging life coach. Or if you want marunong sa mga finances, pwede kang financial coach, di ba? So, pwede ka rin, pwede kang, kung gusto mo magaling ka sa small business, you can be a business coach, okay? So, pwede po yan. So, yung iba, pinag-iwalay yan, coach and being a consultant. Normally kasi yung consultant, you are being hired by different companies, di ba? So, sa akin, inisa ko na lang, consultant, diba? Then, you are also coaching different leaders, di ba? Different, executives, alright? So, consulting, coaching, or mentoring, this can be your choice na skills ngayong 2019 na pwede mong gawin, alright? So, number 2 na high-paying skill na pwede mong simulan ngayong 2019, being a speaker. Yan, so, rockstar speaker. Motivational speaker. Diba? So, isa din to sa nagpayaman sa atin ngayong 2018. So, mataas ang, pwede mong singilin. Sabi ko kanina, depende yan sa qualification mo. Okay? So, if you are, meron kang talagang expertise dyan sa topic na yan, companies can hire you for their team building. Schools also can hire you for seminars for the students, teachers, diba? And parents. And companies team building, just call me. So, kailangan mo niyan, nag-announce. So, anyway, so, yung second high-paying skill that you can do is being a speaker. Okay? So, paano ba magsisimula niyan? If gusto mong magturo and you have an expertise in one knowledge or one area, pwede kang maging speaker. Like, for example, isa kang, like in my case, okay, so I'm a principal, so I think I have credibility in teaching students and teachers on the different teaching strategies, so something like that, alright? And third na pwede mong gawin bilang isang or to have a high-paying skill is be a content writer. So marami nag-hire niyan, mga content writer. lalo na yung mga sa vlogs, di ba? Sa mga paggawa ng mga articles. So, I think there is a website that's hiring people who can write articles, okay? Content writer, meaning you're going to write a content about a restaurant, content about one specific company. So, you can make article or write article, then you can submit. So, pwede kang freelance or under one company. Alright? And number 4, yan. So, kasunod na content writer is editor. You can be an editor. When I still doing my vlogs, okay, so nung meron tayong mga, nagsusulat tayo sa aking website, meron tayong, I'm writing vlogs every day, almost every day. Meron akong dalawang editor that's editing my work, okay? And even when I publish my first book, meron tayong editor. Napaka in-demand ng mga editor. So, if you can do one, okay, kung kaya mong mag-edit, yan, you can apply to, may mga website na nag-hire niyan, or you can be a freelance. Kahit dyan lang sa paligid mo, so pwede kang, ilagay mo lang sa FB mo that you are an editor, okay? So, sabi ko nga, yung skill natin, hindi natin itinatago yan, di ba? So, kailan ina-announce mo sa buong mundo na ako, editor ako. So, you can ask somebody to make a poster for you, tapos post mo sa FB mo. So, parang ina-announce mo lang na ito kaya kong gawin, then get paid. Okay? So, kaya nga siya high-paying skill. Because not everyone, like yung being an editor, not everyone can edit one paragraph, a book, diba? So, kung meron kang gift dyan, kung meron kang talent or skill dyan, go for it. Just go for it. Alright? And, number 5 na tayo. Yan. Number 5 is money trader or stock trader, di ba? So, alam natin lahat yan sa lahat ng mga naituro natin na investment sa different vlogs ko. So, sa lahat ng investment natin sa stock market, so there is somebody who's trading your money. Okay? So, at yan napakalaki din ng demand because only few people na, nag-aspire maging trader. So, pag naging trader ka, there's a training actually for that. Okay? So, sa mga YouTube channel nakikita ko na ang daming nagtitrain. So, if you want to do this, you can apply. So, there is a course for that. And I think coaching, may coaching din nagaganap dyan. Okay? So, money trader. Okay? So, pag marunong ka dito, definitely maraming company mag-hire sa'yo. Right? And number 6. Okay? Number 6 na high-paying skill na pwede mong gawin, hosting. Yan. Ang daming events ngayon, di ba? So, lahat ngayon kasi hindi lang basta nagaganap ang mga events. Birthday, reunion, ano pa ba? Wedding, di ba? Madaming events na mga parties, di ba? Na nagaganap at hindi na lang yung mga MC, yung mga host, hindi lang basta kinukuha nila. Okay? So, they are hiring people. Because I know somebody na dito talaga siya kumikita. I think sa loob ng isang buwan, siguro 20 events siya, something like that. Okay, so nakikita ko sa FB So, sabi nga, term natin dito, kumikita ang kabuhayan, di ba? So, hosting is one of the high-paying skills na pwede mong aralin. So, if you are into speaking, masipag ka magsalita, and meron ka namang background on English, grammar, or kahit wala, basta kung kaya mong willing kang mag-undergo ng training, you can do this. Okay? And number 7, kadugsong ng hosting is event organizer. Marami tayong friends na event organizer. Okay? Ang dami nilang events na handle. Simple lang. Siguro dahil na-master na nila, nakikita naman, simple lang ginagawa nila. May mga, for example, wedding. So, you are organizing a wedding. So, package na kasi yan May kausap na sila for photo, video, flower arrangement. So, may mga kausap na silang ganyan. So, pag naging event organizer ka, magkakaroon ka rin ng mga contacts. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo, sabihin mo na yung date, mag-usap lang kayo, ikaw naman ang kausap ng may mga events. Diba? So, hindi siya ganun siguro kadali sa start, pero pag sinimulan mo siya, madali na. Kaya sabi ko nga, diba, in one of my vlogs yesterday, if you want to start your own business, okay, just start it. Just go for it. Alright? Okay, so, ano pa? Number 8. Okay? So, ito yung mga IT skills. Yan. So, napaka-laki din ng demand. Ako, I myself, ang dami kong ina-hire hanggang ngayon na IT skills na mga tao na marunong sa IT, like yung nag-design ng aking website, the one who's doing my editing my video, so video editor, website designer, so at iba pa, 'di ba? So yung mga may skills sila, IT skills na pwede mo ring gawin. So if you are an IT graduate, kung employed ka, pwede mo itong maging sideline. Okay? So napakaraming tao ngayon, basta may business, dapat may website siya, meron siyang page na pwede mo silang i-assist. Alright? Number 9. Okay, number 9, ito, baka hindi natin alam, pero it is being needed. Kasi ako, kinailangan ko siya when I was doing my thesis in MA and PhD. Okay? So, statisticians. Alright? So, islas ko na dito at thesis advisor. Yeah. So, I'm also a thesis advisor. Kailan lang, may nakagraduate tayo in advice. So, yun. So, they are paying me for ano lang naman, usap lang naman kayo. Hindi naman ikaw ang gagawa mag-usap lang kayo, 'di ba? So, ano dapat content, ano yung kulang? So, mag-input ka lang, then siya na magpo-finalize, 'di ba? So, thesis advisor or thesis consultant. All right? And statistician. So, lalo yung mga, yung mga sa math, ako inaangan ko yung mga tao na to Alam nila kung anong statistical treatment gagawin, paano mag-compute. Though meron na ngayon mga program na na pwede mong gamitin, di ba? Pero iba pa rin syempre when it comes to interpretation of data, there is somebody who can assist you, right? Okay, then number 10, ito. Number 10 natin, may isa pa pala tayo. Number 10, after number 10, meron pa tayo isa. Friend ko kasi si Sir Picholo Gonzalez. So, naging speaker din namin siya, the voice master of the Philippines. Okay? So, siya yung voice instructor or trainer sa mga mga politicians natin at sa mga ibang mga artista. So, nagtitrain siya ganun. In fact, meron siya ngayon na para academy. I think meron siya ngayon itinatayo. So, voice instructor, di ba? Kung meron ka kaibang boses na kaya mong gayahin mga boses ng, ng ibang tao, kaya mong mag-improve ng voice ng ibang tao, lalo yung mga, sabi nga, yan, politician, mga mga kliyente niya, mga artista, di ba? So, you can do this. Alright? And number 11, last natin na high-paying skills na pwede mo simulan. Napanood ko to kay Dan Lack. And actually, sometimes I'm also doing this. High ticket closer. Yan. So, ito yung there are companies, tas ikaw naman ngayon, bukod sa minamarket mo, you are closing deals. May mga clients na ikaw nakakapag-close ka ng deals. And then, you get percentage. Okay? So, there are companies now na ginagawa natin ng gano'n. I'm promoting their companies. Then, nagko-close na rin tayo ng deal after coaching. Nag-uusap tayo. Then, that company, pagka nag-avail siya ng kanilang product or services, so, binibigyan na lang po ako ng commission. Like one time, nag-avail ng 1 million sa isang business. So, I was able to close that deal. So, binibigyan po tayo ng commission. So, it's also a skill na pwede mong maging side job or even full-time job, di ba? I think Dan Lack, kung napapanood siya sa YouTube, is doing meron siyang course nito. So, those who want to be high-ticket closer, taga-close ka ng deal ng mga different companies. So, pwede ka pong mag-enroll sa kanyang course. Okay? So, Delivers, ito yung mga 11 high-paying skills na pwede mong gawin. Okay? Pwede mong gawin full-time, pwede mo rin gawin na side job lang or side hustle to increase your income. Alright? Lalo ngayon 2019. Okay? So, please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin para sama-sama tayong mabago at tumulad ang ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go!